Alright, May 20th. Wednesday, May 20th. I'm heading west. I am on my way to Carson Lake, just outside of Whitecourt. It's going to be the only nice day between now and Saturday. Rain starts tonight. And I'm taking the Onaway, Highway 37 Onaway Drive out there. Nice highway. But this is it. I'm on vacation this week. It's post-Victoria Day, my annual post-Victoria Day week vacation. I think I've taken that week off for at least the last 10 years or so. And it's been nice so far. But today I have to get one road trip out of the way. I was a little concerned about my car. It's getting a lot of mileage on it. This could be the last long road trip. So anyway, coming up to the four-way stop here. And I shall report back ASAP. Slight diversion as tends to happen on Gusto's road trips, as I've taken a north turn about 15 miles east of Whitecourt to a place called Blue Ridge, and I'm going to access the Athabasca River. It's only about 6-7 miles north of here, and here we go. I also need to add that I am in grizzly country. Oh, look at this. I don't know how far I'm going to go, but I'm going to give this a try. Well, at the Athabasca River, north of Blue Ridge. As you can see, it's pretty fast, it's pretty high. It's pretty wet in here. I'm gonna have to whittle my way out. A little bit of a scary drive in here. I think I kind of pushed things. But nice, smells nice, it's warm. It's like 20 degrees out here. Beautiful. Again, I'm in grizzly country. I gotta be careful. I shouldn't make fun of that, take it light. But it's too fast, the bank is too cut for fishing, so I will just make my way to Carson Lake. But this is great. Caught one. I got something. I got one. I'm snagged. I had one. I'm using this bait caster. It's all new to me. Well, the bait caster was kind of weird there. Just had one. Damn. Okay, just leaving Carson Lake. Fished for about 45 minutes. It's quite interesting. I think I had one, maybe on the GoPro here. I hooked up the GoPro to my hat. That was an interesting experience. Nice day, a little windy. Didn't stay long. I have used my bait casting reel, the new one that I got. Was that through the city? Did I win that? Or my 30th year, or whatever the hay it was. Very weird to use. When I caught that fish or had them under, I had no resistance. I couldn't pull it in. I don't know what I was doing wrong. I really have a lot to learn about this thing. But the gentleman to my right got photographs. He caught 6 trout. He kept 4. They're huge, man. The last one he caught was just too much. Like very big fish. Beautiful. Suckers too. I may have had a sucker, but I know it was a fish. I'm at a demonstration forest. Biodiversity. I'm looking forward to this. This is very cool. We're in the demonstration forest. Not too many mosquitoes. One on my head now, but it's actually not bad at all. I'm literally in the middle of nowhere. I don't think there's anybody around for miles. I'm at the demonstration forest site. It's about 3-4 miles south of Carson Lake turnoff. And it's just beautiful out here. And I'm doing a long video, nature video, behind me. The GH5 and the Zoom mic. And I'm just gonna hang out here, get some sun, and this is just beautiful. Back on the road I go, and we'll just see where this takes us with the mud and stuff. Well, I've reached my final destiny. It's way too wet. I'm not taking the chance, so I'm turning around here and heading the other way. Just a matter of I've got my all-wheel on. Whoa, that's pretty deep too. Holy moly. Well, got through it. Just hoping nobody's coming the other way on a dirt bike flying. Just taking a break at the day spot here, the entranceway, and beautiful day. The sun just went behind a big cloud there, so nice timing actually. Very comfortable right now. That was real nice. That was a nice drive. Got some decent nature footage, just more like stock footage, but who knows. I just keep shooting. I have not taken a single still photo today. I don't like taking stills when that neutral density filter's on there because they are not as sharp. I don't mind when filming, use the term film, video making, what have you. Too much sharpness is not a good thing. It's the opposite. You want it a little bit on the soft side, in my opinion, to emulate film, because I'm used to that. But anyway, just a beautiful day. I've had a wonderful day. It's pushing after 4 and whatever. The rain's going to be beginning, I think, in 2 hours, 3 hours in Edmonton. No, they said around midnight, so I should be okay. But I'm in no rush. I'm on vacation. It's been wonderful. And I got some fishing in. First of the year. Road food. And I hit A&W for a mama with cheese and onion rings and a medium root beer.